Hello and welcome to Musepen.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn on how to embed a Twitter timeline into your Adobe Muse page. For now, if we look at this page has a header, few icons of our widgets, and a Facebook page plugin. Also, at the bottom of that, we would like to add a Twitter timeline over here. So let's just see how does it look right now. So it has a header, icons, and the Facebook page where you can like, share, get the details about the recent posts also. Now I want to add a Twitter timeline similar to this below the Facebook timeline. So how do we do that? You need to first of all make sure that you're logged into your Twitter account. Once you're logged into that, you need to go to a URL that would be twitter.com/settings/widgets. Once you are there, it would give you an option to create a new widget. This is where we are going to decide the look of our Twitter timeline, and then we would get the code from there. So just click on create new. There are 4 or 5 types of timelines to be inserted, and the most popular one is the user timeline, where you get the option to follow and also with the recent posts on Twitter. So I would always go for that, but if you want to go for other, you can check them also. So in this video we will focus on user timeline. So the first option in the user timeline is to provide the username, which is pre-filled. In your case, once you're logged in with your account, it would be pre-filled. Now exclude replies is like in your some of your posts, if some people have replied to it, if you do not want them to show, you can let it be checked. If you want them to be showed, you can uncheck it and it would show the replies also. Auto expand photos, let's say you have inserted few photos into few posts like this, so our auto expand photo is checked, so it would expand the photos. Let's say I do not want it to be auto expanded, so it would change the preview. And the beauty of this widget is it at the right side it gives you the preview of the changes that you make immediately. So now the photo is not expanded, so that part is done. So let it be enabled. Okay, now it lets you decide the height of this widget. So right now it's 600 pixels. It's your choice whatever you want it to be, so let's make it 500. Now this widget also gives you an option to select this theme. There are 2 themes available, light and dark. So the background of your page is light, go for the dark one, and if you have a dark background, you can go for the light one. So for now I would take dark because my page background was white. So this is how it is going to look. Now let's make few more customizations. So it lets you change the link color. Right now the color of links is blue. Let's make it orange, and it would immediately show you the changes. Excellent. Now it gives you an option to this opt out of tailoring widget. You can let it be unchecked. And now let's go ahead and create the widget so that our code is generated. Now we have our code is generated, and we just need to click onto the link. Oh, let's go back. Okay, so we just need to copy this code. Need to go back to Muse. Now to insert it, just need to go to Object, insert HTML. It would open a box. In this box, you need to paste the code that you have just copied. So Control A, Control V, click on OK, and it would create a preview of your widget, and it would let you place it here. So it takes a moment to connect with the Twitter account, and it will try to create a preview. So I want it to be same as this. So height for the Facebook page is, width is 340, and let's make it 340. So where is our transform tool? Here we go. 340. So it takes a moment to load, and it is finalized. Let's go ahead and try to preview this page in browser. Meanwhile, let me just refresh the link also for you. It would be twitter.com/settings/widget. This is all you need to remember. Okay, so the Facebook page plugin is still loading. Meanwhile, our Twitter timeline has already been loaded. So now you see that there is a gap, so that we can correct by grouping the icons at the top. But for now, let me just show you the preview. So you have a page plugin and you have a Twitter timeline. You can go there, you can click on follow to follow it, you can click on it, and it would open a new window where you can go ahead and post your like share it with others. Okay, so this is all we have to get. Let me just fix this problem quickly also. Oh, there was a gap by default, so let me just remove it. Okay, so maybe while placing it I just ignored this part. Here we go. So if you place it like this and try to preview it again, everything would be in place. Okay, icons are there in correct position, Twitter plugin is there, Twitter timeline is there, and the Facebook plugin is loading. On my connection it is taking a bit of time, but don't worry, at your end or onto the visitors page everything would be happening very smoothly. So this is how you embed an Twitter timeline. So this is all we have for you in this video. So if you like it, go ahead and share it with your friends, and you can go to Musepen.com to download some other videos, to check other videos, and to download some free widgets provided by us. Thank you for watching video tutorial. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.